This is wonderful opportunity to be interviewed today in your company. Um, um, I used to thank you to Kuya Rene Boy kasi nakuha ko siya kahapon. Kuya Rene Boy, maraming salamat sa mga videos mo sa TikTok, sa YouTube. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, baka hindi ako napasok. Maraming salamat.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Kuya Rene Boy. For today's video, meron tayong kaswabe na nag-comment sa YouTube channel ko. Siya si Nanay Baya TV. StarTech failed. Result CX pasa initial, ligwak sa final. IBEX failed. Grabe pang Miss Universe yung tanungan. Concentrix failed, ligwak sa final. And then, anong kulang Kuya Rene Boy? Grabe, nakakalungkot naman yan. Syempre, hindi naman hahayaan ni Kuya Rene Boy na sa next apply niya ay bagsak pa rin. Kaya, for today's video, re-replyan natin siya, iti-train natin siya hanggang sa masungkit niya yung job offer sa susunod na apply niya. This is not going to be the first time na meron tayong tutulungan na makapasa sa call center. Actually guys, diba, libo-libo na yung nakapasa sa BPO, na-hire, naka-JO, nakapirma ng kontrata. So, ito yung pinaka-first time naman na kukuha ako sa YouTube channel ko at yon iti-train ko personally. So yun guys, abangan natin kung ano mangyayari. Pero bago ang lahat, attendance check muna tayo. Sino-sino dito yung mga hired na, nakapasa na sa BPO. Comment down sa baba. At sa mga nag-a-apply pa lang, comment din sa baba. Gusto ko malaman kung ano na yung mga call center companies na mga napuntahan ninyo, kung ilang beses na kayo na-reject. And yun, make sure natin na sa susunod na pag-a-apply ninyo, pasado na yan. And shoutout and congratulations din sa nanalo ng 500 Gcash. Napaka-solid ng comment niya. Kung gusto mo rin manalo ng 500 Gcash, comment down sa baba kung anong reason mo, kung bakit gusto mo maging call center agent. Gusto ko malaman guys, gusto ko makita yung mga deserving. And yun, kita-kits sa call center world. Tandaan ninyo kung wala naniniwala sa'yo si Kuya Rene Boy, naniniwala ako makakapasa ka dyan sa call center company na ina-apply mo. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin, alam ko naiinip ka na rin. Let's begin. Thank you for calling customer service. So yun guys, sumagot na siya. Ito na siya. Hello Sir John Lester.
Hello sir, good afternoon.
So ikaw pala yung sa YouTube channel, no? Yung nag-comment.
Opo.
Kumusta ka naman bro? So, ano nga ulit yung mga company na bagsak mo? StarTech, Concentrix, ano ba isa? Ayun,
Results po tapos IBEX.
So yun, John Lester, no? Syempre, may make sure natin na sa next apply mo, job offer na talaga yan. So yun, ready ka na ba sa ating interview practice?
Yes po.
So yun na, parang yung mga ginagawa lang natin sa live, typical na interview question with answers, and then i-rate ko. No? But this time, syempre medyo gagawin natin tong intense training para ma-make sure natin na mag-improve talaga lahat. Okay? Para makita ko rin kung ano nga ba yung mga nagiging reason kung bakit pumapagsak ka sa mga assessments, sa final, gano'n. So, ready ka na?
Ready rin.
Okay, I'm so excited to know more about you. Can you tell me more about yourself?
Good afternoon, sir. It's a wonderful opportunity to be here in your company. My name is John Lester Fantas, but you can address me Lester. I'm 25 years old and I'm high school graduate in San Francisco, Parochial Academy, Quezon Province. My previous job was a security guard. As a security guard before, I used to assist customer in proceeding car store and teaching them how to order the box of pizza, and I also assist Grab rider. They show me the order number and I help them find it. And I believe that this experience can be very helpful to the position I am applying for, which is customer service representative, because I already know how to.
Okay, thanks so much, John Lester. Since it's going to be your first time to work in a call center, can you tell me what is your greatest idea about BPO or call center?
My idea about call center, this is a work where people take calls and deliver extreme call experience to the customers, and that's all.
Okay, next question, John Lester. Can you tell me the difference between urgency and being on time?
Urgency is a kind of work that you need to finish at a given time, and on time is a kind of work that you need to finish as your supervisors or managers that give to you.
Okay, so you're saying urgency means you need to finish something immediately.
Yes,
That's what
yes.
you were trying to say? Okay. Thank you so much for that, John Lester. Can you tell me what is your greatest weakness?
I'm afraid of doing mistakes, but I believe that this is part of my progress and trying to improve myself and to become the best version of me.
So you are afraid to commit mistakes. Is
Yes, exactly.
so that is your weakness. Okay, can you also tell me your the three words that best describe you?
The three words that can describe me is patience, hardworking, and flexible.
Okay, thank you so much. Can you tell me what would be the reason of your absent and late in the future?
The possible reason can be massive transportation, family emergency, or maybe I have a sick.
Okay, next question. How are you going to explain the blue sky in a blind person?
I can explain the blue sky to a blind person by telling them that this is the sound of a wave in the ocean, the teardrops of the water on the glass. That's all.
Next question. What do you think the reason why should not we hire you?
You should not hire me if you are not looking for someone who is hardworking, trustworthy, and passionate. You should not. You should hire me if you are looking for someone who is not trustworthy, disobedient. That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
One last question. Can you tell me how are you going to see yourself in the next 5 years?
I can see myself working in a company, position, performing challenging tasks with my team productively and efficiently. That's it.
Okay. Thank you so much. John Lester, I don't have questions anymore. And let me tell you this, okay? To be honest, I was impressed, okay? You really improved a lot, okay? From what we have discussed yesterday, I can see that you really improved. Okay, John Lester, my score now from 1 to 10. 10 is the highest. I can give you 9. Almost perfect. Good job.
Yes.
You just need to practice more on your pronunciation. Okay, the PNF sound, the BV sound, it must be emphasized, okay, whenever you're talking in English. And then regarding your answers about out of the box questions, situational interview questions, okay, I can see here that you really practice about those questions. You were able to nail it. Okay, good job overall, John Lester. And hopefully, the next time you message me, you are telling me the story of your job offer and your success story about signing the contract in a BPO company. Thank you so much, John Lester, for your time.
So good day, my name is John Lester Fantas. I'm one of the applicants before who really wants to get assigned on a job offer. And thank you to Kuya Rene Boy kasi nakuha ko siya kahapon. Kuya Rene Boy, maraming salamat sa mga videos mo sa TikTok, sa YouTube, sa Facebook. Hindi dahil sa'yo baka hindi ako napasok. Maraming salamat. At sa mga nag-apply pa lang, huwag na huwag kang susuko. Kaya niyan. Ako nga dati, dami beses kong bumagsak pero hindi ako sumuko. Patuloy lang ako kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko. To be honest, hindi ako masyadong magaling mag-construct ng English word pero nakaya ko sa panonood ng mga videos ni Rene Boy kasi doon ako kumukuha ng idea kung paano makakapasa sa interview, sa assessment, saka sa mga calls. Huwag lang kayong titigil, grind lang ng grind kasi kung pagsisikapan mo yung pangarap mo, trabaho, makukuha mo yan. Hindi lang ngayon o hindi bukas. Sa mga lawa pwede. Rene Boy, maraming salamat. Isa kang kasamang tunay. Salamat. Dahil may job offer na ako.
O, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, pag si Kuya Rene Boy ang nag-manifest niyan, talagang mangyayari yan. Tandaan niyo guys, kahit sobrang bagal ng usad natin, hindi tayo ganun kagaling mag-English, pero kung palagi kayo nagpa-practice, nanonood ng mga videos natin, matututo at matututo kayo. Katulad lang rin yan guys sa paglalagare, kahit galaw uod or sobrang bagal ng usad or ng progreso mo, basta patuloy kang lumalagare, kahit sobrang tagal yan, mapuputol at mapuputol mo ang kahoy sa bandang huli. Kung may mga ibang tao na kumukutya sa inyo, nako hindi mo kaya yan, nako hindi mo kakayanin yan, nako hindi ka para dyan, hindi ka makakapasa dyan, huwag nyo silang pakinggan, okay? Kasi may mga sariling buhay ang mga yan, okay? Intindihin nyo yung buhay ninyo, kung paano kayo makakaalis dyan sa nakasanayan ninyo at kung paano kayo makakatungtong sa corporate world or sa BPO industry. And yun guys, sabay-sabay natin congratulate si John Lester. Syempre hindi lang naman dahil sa nanonood siya ng video, ginawa niya pa rin ng paraan. Kumbaga hindi siya sumuko, di ba? Kumbaga sabi ko nga sa sa inyo, kahit ilang beses kayo mag-fail, huwag nyo sukuan, okay? Opportunity nga yun para mas marami pa kayo matutunan, magka-idea kayo sa mga interview questions, sa mga assessment, yan. Kaya kung ikaw di mo pa napapanood yung mga playlist ko, all about interview with sample answers, I link it up there, makakatulong sa yan. And meron din tayong mga videos all about mock call. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood with mock call guide para ma-make sure natin na makakapasa ka, I link it up there din para makapasa ka na sa susunod na pag-a-apply mo. So alam ko hindi lang nag-iisa si John Lester na ganito, maraming beses nag-apply, ilang beses din na-reject. Gusto ko malaman kung sino-sino pa kayo. Comment down sa baba kung gusto ninyo ng ganitong uri pa ng content, comment lang sa baba. Mamimili ulit ako ng kaswabe, maswerteng applicant na pwede kong i-train personally. Comment down sa baba. At don't forget to like this video and then click the subscribe button at yung notification bell para updated ka pa sa mga paparating ko pa mga videos. Before I end this video, shoutout and congratulations din sa lahat ng graduates sa Bowmines Academy, Batch 22, ongoing na yung Batch 23. Sa lahat ng mga gustong humabol sa Batch 24, tatlong slot na lang yung natitira, 1-month call center training yan, na marami kayong matututunan, na purong virtual lang, kaya kahit sang panig ka ng Pilipinas, pwedeng-pwede ka at marami kang matututunan. Meron tayong mga mock call, mock interview, talagang improve yung English communication skills mo, kaya kahit hindi ka magaling mag-English, English Carabao, welcome na welcome kahit sino. Sa lahat ng mga gustong humabol guys, comment na sa baba ng #scholar. I-follow nyo na rin ako sa ibang social media accounts ko like TikTok and Facebook page para marami pa kayong masagap na balita sa mga paparating ko pang upload. So yun lang guys, shoutout sa lahat ng mga nagpapa-shoutout. God bless us all.
Good evening. I am Rosal and I will be your